Hi students, how are you? I hope you all are good. Okay, today we will discuss about your output unit. In previous session, we discussed the input unit. Under that, we had covered your scanners, keyboards, mouse. Clear? Today our point of discussion is output units. Output unit you already know that output unit is the collection of some output devices, and that output device or output unit plays a role of interface which creates a communication or which builds a communication in between computer and user. So you can say output unit is a media in between machine and man. Machine can interact with the user, or user can get some output, user can get some results, his desired results can get from the computer by the help of this unit. This is the output unit, and this output unit is the collection of some collection of all kinds of output devices. The output devices, the output unit ro pehle ko output devices, output devices. This output devices gives you the information or your desired information which is generated by the central processing unit by taking the input from the keyboard or any other media. The central processing unit tracks the input from the input units and do some jobs. After completion of that processing and after completion of that job, the machine provides the desired output to the user using these output devices. So you can say the output which is obtained from the machine, the output which is obtained from the computer by some devices, and that devices is output devices. The output devices gives us the output as in two forms, that is hard copy output and soft copy output. The output devices gives hard copy output, and another kind is soft copy output. Soft copy output. The output devices provides two kind of outputs. One is hard copy output, another is soft copy output. The hard copy output, the output which is obtained on the paper document, or you can say some microfilms, is known as the hard copy output. It means that the hard copy output is tangible in nature. It is tangible in nature. Tangible means touchable. It is tangible in nature. The hard copy output is tangible in nature. You can say we can touch and feel that kind of outputs, and the outputs is printed on a piece of paper. This is hard copy output. The output result, the output information is touchable. We can hold that kind of output documents. So hard copy output is tangible in nature, and it is also portable. Hard copy output is portable. Portable means you can move such type of output along with you, and this output can be sent to other users via some medias, and this output, it takes some time. When you send such type of hard copy output to other users, it takes more time. तो एतिक आम जाना हार्ड कॉपी आउटपुट जोटा कि आम धरी पार्टी छुई पार्टी द डॉक्यूमेंट जोटा कि आम रील माइक्रोफिल्म उपरे थाए किंबा पेपर उपरे थाए, दैट टाइप ऑफ आउटपुट इज नोन एज द हार्ड कॉपी आउटपुट, एंड दिस आउटपुट is portable, and the device which produce this type of output is known as the hard copy output devices. The machine or the device which produce this kind of output is known as the hard copy output devices. Under this category, I can give some examples like printer, plotter. This kind of output devices give you hard copy output. So example, hard copy, the device which provides you hard copy is known as the hard copy output devices, and example is, this example is printer, plotter. These are the output, hard copy output devices. Soft copy output devices. The soft copy output device, what is soft copy output device? The soft copy output devices, the result is, or you can say the obtained output, the obtained result, the obtained information or obtained output which is on the video display units, audio units, monitors is known as the soft copy output. It means that soft copy output is intangible in nature. This is intangible in nature. Intangible means untouchable. The soft copy output is untouchable. You can just view such kind of outputs on your monitor screen, or you can listen this type of output from your music system or from your audio response systems. We can view such type of soft copy output on your video terminals. The output, or you can say the result which is fetched from the computers, the result which is provided by the machine, and the result is only visible form, it is not in touchable form, is known as soft copy output. And this kind of soft copy output, we get some advantage. We can, in any time in soft copy output, we can do any type of editing. It means that correction can be made on this kind of soft copy outputs, and this type of output can be stored inside the computer, and this type of output can be sent to other users in a fraction of seconds or in few seconds. So when you forward this kind of hard copy output to other users, it takes some time. Physically, this kind of output should be transferred to the other users via any media. That media may be courier, postal, or physically by yourself. You can transfer this type of output to the other users. But soft copy outputs can be sent to any users throughout the world in a very fraction of seconds. It is one advantage of soft copy output. And soft copy output, at any moment you can do any type of a correction on soft copy output. So here some advantages we got on the soft copy output, that is, it is editable, it can be sent to anybody throughout the world in a few fractions, in few seconds, and you can store this soft copy output in your computer system, and which will give you a backup. This is the advantage of soft copy output. And that soft copy output, The devices which give you this kind of soft copy output is known as the soft copy output devices. The soft copy output devices, I give some examples like monitor, audio response system, audio response system, and visual display or video display unit. These are the examples of soft copy output devices. Here printer and plotter are the example of hard copy output devices, and monitor, audio response systems, and video display unit. These are video display terminals, you can say. This kind of devices give you the soft copy output. That's why this type of devices known as the soft copy output devices. Here, on the basis of this nature of the output is devices is two types: hard copy output device and soft copy output devices. Today we will discuss about the printer and the monitor. Most of the time questions arise or you can get the questions on your exam from these printers and monitors. So basically we will give the priority to discuss the printers and monitors in details. Okay, students, tomorrow गोटे यूनिट कंप्लीट हेले मु तुमको नोट प्रोवाइड करदेवी पीडीएफ फॉर्मेट रे, से ओरिड हेनी जहाँ जमी वीडियो चलती से किसी नोट कर बेटर, अदरवाइज मु तुमको नोट देवी. तो प्रिंटर, printer is a hard copy output devices. Printer takes the information from the machine or the CPU or from the computer, you can say, and gives us the desired output as a printed format, at a printed form. The printer is a device which gives us the obtained output on the paper document, and that output is generated by the machine. And printer, you can say printer is a device which prints the desired result of the user. The printer can be or you can say the quality of the printer or the quality of the printout depends on the resolutions of the printer. High resolutions give you good clarity of the picture, sharper image you can get on the basis of its resolutions. High resolutions give you better sharp image. The printer is a hard copy output devices which prints your output on the papers. And printer, or you can say image, can be created on the monitor. Sorry, you can say the image can be configured by collection of some dots, and that dots is known as the pixels. The printer can be categorized into two types. One is impact printer. This is the impact printer, and another kind of printer is non-impact printer. This non-impact printer. Impact printer and non-impact printer. So what is impact printer? Impact printer basically adopts typewriter approach. It adopts the technique of typewriter. It means that impact printer generally based on the typewriter approach. It is physically strike a typeface against a paper with some inked ribbon. So you can say impact printer approach impact printer is based on typewriter approach. Impact printer is based on typewriter approach of physically striking. जदि निजे नोट करथुव एगुडी टिके लिखुची तो बेटर हो. of physically striking typeface against a paper and inked ribbon. रिबन ता भीतर अच्छी इंक्ड रिबन से इंक्ड रिबन हिट करिए बारंबार आम पेपर ऊपर हिट करिवो एवं किछि कैरेक्टर्स टाइप होकि जीवो. तो इम्पैक्ट प्रिंटर इज बेसिकली बेस्ड ऑन द टाइपराइटर technology. Impact printer is based typewriter approach of physically striking typeface against a paper and inked ribbon. There is a ribbon, ink ribbon, which is repeatedly typed on your paper and print some characters. Impact printer is basically low cost and you can get only the black and white printout from this impact printer. The impact printer can be a character printer or a line printer. Impact printer can print one character at a time, or you can say some kind of impact printer is there that printer can print some lines at a time. That's the line printer. The printer which prints a character at a time is known as the character printer, and the printer which prints a line at a time is known as the line printer. The impact printer is basically based on the typewriter techniques, and it is another characteristic. It is black and white nature, black and white, and low cost. Is low cost. This is the nature of the impact printer, and you can say as compared to non-impact printer, the quality of the printout is lower grade. It is not a best quality printout. The impact printer gives you some kind of printout which is generally black and white, no color output, no color printout is possible in case of impact printer, and it is cost is very low as compared to non-impact printer, and it gives you low grade printout. These are the some characteristics of the impact printer. Impact printer under रे आमे किसी printer लेखुचंती से प्रिंटर गुड़िक कौन या पर डिस्कसन कर इम्पैक्ट प्रिंटर उपरको जाऊँ. Under the impact printer we get impact printer. There are some examples I give you. Dot matrix printer, dot matrix printer, daisy wheel printer, daisy wheel printer, and last one is drum printer. Drum printer. क्लियर? तो ये द इम्पैक्ट प्रिंटर अंडर आम पाँच तीन प्रकार प्रिंटर. वन इज डॉट मैट्रिक्स प्रिंटर, डेजी व्हील प्रिंटर एंड ड्रम प्रिंटर. मुझे फॉर्मेट रे लिखले आम डिफरेन्शिएट करने इजी हम. आम तीन प्रकार ये प्रिंटर पाँच. दिस इज डॉट मैट्रिक्स, printer, and this is daisy wheel, and this is drum printer, clear? तो डॉट मैट्रिक्स प्रिंटर, स्टूडेंट, dot matrix printer prints a character at a time. It prints a character at a time. Character at a time. That's why it is known as what? Character printer. Dot matrix printer is also known as character printer. And students, its speed of the printer, गोटे कथा भूली जाइए, the speed of the printer is based on, or the speed of the printer is measured, that unit is CPS, character per second, and the quality of the printout depends on the resolutions, and that resolution is measured with there is a unit known as the DPI, dot per inch. जितने रिजोल्यूशंस कथा मुझे कहूनी थी, गोटे रिजोल्यूशंस कहले कौन बुझाए ना, हॉरिजॉन्टली आउ वर्टिकली किसी डॉट्स कलेक्शन आम रिजोल्यूशंस करूँगी, एवं सही गोटे इंच भितर केतोटी डॉट रोची, दैट इज द यूनिट ऑफ द रिजोल्यूशंस. तो रिजोल्यूशंस रे यूनिट आम कहते DPI, डॉट पर इंच. ओके, एक कथा टे मन रखियो. तो हियर द डॉट मैट्रिक्स प्रिंटर प्रिंट्स ए कैरेक्टर एट ए टाइम. इट्स स्पीड रेंजेस, स्पीड आम क्या भीतर रोचे, स्पीड इन बिटवीन 200 to 600 CPS. What is CPS? Character per second. तो dot matrix printer is capable to print 200 to 600 character per second. गोटे सेकेंड रे से 200 रु 600 कैरेक्टर से प्रिंट करि पारियो. एंड इट्स रिजोल्यूशन is 72 to 360 DPI. DPI dot per inch. DPI stands for dot per inch. INCH. Dot per inch. The dot matrix printer speed ranges in between 200 to 600 character per second, and its resolution is 72 to 360 DPI, and it is black and white in nature. Black and white. Clear? Then come to the daisy wheel printer. In daisy wheel printer, the head of the, or the print head of the printer looks like a daisy flower. That's why its name is daisy wheel printer. And it is also a character printer. It also prints a character. It is a character printer. It means that it can print a character at a time. And its speed is 100 CPS, 100 character per second. It means that daisy wheel printer is slower as compared to the dot matrix printer. But quality point of view, clarity point of view, daisy wheel printer is better than dot matrix printer? It is slower and better quality as compared to the dot matrix printer. ମୁଁ ଲେଖୁ ନାହିଁ ସେଟା ବୁଝ ତ daisy wheel printer is slower and better quality. Its printout or its printed document looks better as compared to the dot matrix printer. Another thing, it is costly. Daisy wheel printer is costly as compared to dot matrix printer. Costly because of its betterness. So daisy wheel printer prints a character at a time. Its speed is 100 character per second. That's why it is slower as compared to dot matrix printer. But it produces the good quality printout as compared to dot matrix printer. That's why daisy wheel printer is costly than dot matrix printer. Clear? And there is no color printout, only the black and white printout you can get here. Okay. Next point is drum printer. Students, here drum printer is known as the line printer, because in earlier two format, the dot matrix printer and the daisy wheel printer prints the character at a time, but in case of drum printer is capable to print a line at a time. It print a line at a time. That's why it is known as line printer. The drum printer is known as line printer. And line printer, drum printer is faster than the earlier two form, that is the dot matrix printer and the daisy wheel printer. Its speed or it is capable to print 200 to 2500 lines per minute. It is second ऊपर ही आमे आलोचना करथुले, but in case of drum printer आमे line ऊपर आलोचना करछंती, but that is per minute. The drum printer is capable to print 200 to 2500 lines per minute. गोटे मिनिट रे से 200 रु 2500 भली लाइन से प्रिंट करि पारे. But disadvantage of a drum printer is that low quality. Yes, low quality. Advantage is that it can print large scale of printout, large volume of print, large volume. Its advantage is the drum printer is used when a large scale of printout is needed or large volume of printout it is needed. At that time drum printer is essential. Drum printer has some importance, but quality point of view drum printer is lower quality as compared to the daisy wheel printer and dot matrix printers. Students, it's all about the impact printer. Now we will discuss the non-impact printer. It is non-impact printer. There is no heat, there is no impact on the paper with the ink ribbon. In case of impact printer, हमें कौन जान ले? The impact printer adopts the typewriter approach and in typewriter approach there is a typeface which is repeatedly striked on a piece of paper with inked ribbon. But in case of non-impact printer, there is no heat, there is no impact on the paper with inked ribbon. Instead, non-impact printer adopts a new technology, that is jet ink technology. It don't heat or impact with inked ribbon. There is no heat or impact with inked ribbon. Instead, it adopts a new technology, that is jet ink technology. Jet ink technology. Clear? Non-impact printer uses electrochemical substance. Some electrochemical substance is used in case of non-impact printer substance. Color output, black and white, and a color output you can get black and white, or color output is possible. Color output some 5/2 color output faster and quality point of view best quality. These are some features of non-impact printer. So non-impact printer do not heat or impact with inked ribbon. Instead, it adopts some new technology, that is the jet ink technology, and uses some electrochemical substance to print on the paper. Black and white as well as color printout is possible in case of non-impact printer. Non-impact printer is faster than the impact printer, and quality point of view it gives you the best quality of printout as compared to the impact printer. Under this non-impact printer there are two types of printers available. One is Z ink printer or jet printer, another kind is laser printer. या अंडर रे आमे दुईटी प्रिंटर अच्छी गोटे है जेट प्रिंटर जेट इंक प्रिंटर कही परिया, अदरवाइज आमे लेजर प्रिंटर कही परिया. गोटे है जेट प्रिंटर जेट इंक प्रिंटर कही परियो बा जेट प्रिंटर कही आउ गोटे हूँ लेजर प्रिंटर. लेजर प्रिंटर jet printer. In case of jet printer, some ink drops are sprayed on the papers. गोटे पेपर उपरे गोटे जेट जेपरी कि पानी स्प्रे करे से भाई भाव में किसी इंक ड्रॉप गुड़िक काली ड्रॉप्स गुड़िक गोटे पेपर रे स्प्रे कर जाए. से गोटे टेक्नोलोजी रोचे ताको आम जेट इंक प्रिंटर जो जेट इंक टेक्नोलोजी को जो कहते इट स्प्रे हो स्प्रे drops of ink or ink drops हम कोई परिया it's spray ink drops on paper and it uses some electrochemical substance to print, and its speed is, or you can say its resolution is 400 to Okay, its resolution is 500 dpi dot per inch. तो हाई रिजोल्यूशन जेतु अच्छी जेट प्रिंटर गोटे गुड क्वालिटी प्रिंट आउट दूची एंड इट इज फास्टर ओके एंड better quality printout is possible and colorful. This is the features of colorful. The jet printer spread ink drops on the paper and its resolution is 500 dpi dot per inch. That's why it is faster and it gives the better quality and colorful printout is possible in jet printer. But in case of laser printer, its resolution is 400 to 1200 dpi. Okay, and it prints. One thing, jet printer is a line printer as well as laser printer is a line printer. या पूर्व आम जो नॉन इम्पैक्ट प्रिंटर पढ़ी आसते सॉरी इम्पैक्ट प्रिंटर पढ़ी डॉट मैट्रिक्स एंड डेजी व्हील दीज आर द डॉट प्रिंटर्स और कैरेक्टर प्रिंटर्स बट जेट प्रिंटर एंड लेजर प्रिंटर दीज आर द लाइन प्रिंटर. द लेजर प्रिंटर इट्स स्पीड केते रहउछि 24 pages. It can print 24 pages per sorry 5 to 24 pages per minute. Its speed is 5 to 24 pages per minute. एठी बर्तमान आम कौन करते गोटे लाइन टू लाइन प्रिंट होते पर मिनिट आम केते लाइन प्रिंट कर पारछंती जेट प्रिंटर थिला बट लेजर प्रिंटर गोटे रोची जे गोटे मिनिट रे मल्टीपल पेजेस प्रिंट करूची एंड बिफोर गिव्स यू द प्रिंट आउट लेजर प्रिंटर एक्सेप्ट्स ऑल द इंफॉर्मेशंस ऑल द पेजेस फ्रॉम द computer and stores and after that in a minute it provides the multiple pages at a time. This is the advantage of laser printer. Okay, next we will discuss about the monitor. Student, so this printer is a hard copy output devices. So here monitor is the example of some, or you can say monitor is a soft copy output devices. And monitor is very common type of soft copy output devices. And a monitor, the quality of the image on the monitor depends upon its resolutions. And what is the resolutions? The resolution is some collection of some dots or pixels horizontally or vertically. It is the resolution is the collection of some dots which are designed in vertically or horizontal format. And या पूर्व किसी टर्म को आम जाऊँ गोटे टर्म है पिक्सेल मॉनिटर पढ़िया पूर्व आम टर्म गुड़िक जाना पिक्सेल आउट है रिजोल्यूशन पिक्सेल दैट इज पिक्चर एलिमेंट पिक्सेल इज द पिक्चर एलिमेंट any image or picture on your monitor is created as a configuration of some dots, and that dot is known as the pixel. Other coach, the image on your computer, the image on your monitor is created as configuration of some dots, and that dots are known as the pixel. And this pixel, number of pixel or clarity of your image depends on the number of pixels. যেতে অধিক পিক্সেল রহিব, যেতে অধিক ডটস রহিব, পিকচর ক্লারিটি বা পিকচর শার্পনেস সেতে বড়িব। যেতে কম পিক্সেল রহিব সেতে শার্পনেস বা তার ক্লারিটিটা কম রহিব। সেপাই আমি ক্যামেরা হ্যামেরা দেখুন লেখা হয়ে এত মেগা পিক্সেল। ওকে, তো মনিটর is a very common type of soft copy output device, and a monitor provides the output which is generally visible on the screen. The monitor quality of the monitor depends upon the pixel and its resolutions. The resolutions is आमे कहले कोन, this the collection of pixel horizontally or vertically, horizontally and vertically format বা vertical manner। तो resolutions आमे कहि परिया 600 into 800. It means that there are 600 dots horizontally and vertically there are 800। अर्थात आमे जदि आमे गोटे एटा स्क्रीन नौचंदी ताले एई भली भाबरे गोटे रो रे, एटा गोटे रो रे आमे 660 डॉट्स पाउचंदी एवं गोटे कलम रे स्टूडेंट 860 डॉट पाइबा। तो 600 into 800, it means that there are 600 pixel in one row, that is horizontally, and 800 dots vertically, अर्थात कलम वाइज गोटे कलम रे आमे 860 डॉट्स पाइबा। तो ये डॉट्स को नहीं यार रिजोल्यूशंस की कैलकुलेट करा है। एंड रिजोल्यूशंस यार पूर्व मु कहली द यूनिट टू मेजर द रिजोल्यूशन इज दैट DPI, दैट इज DPI डॉट पर इंच। यार ऊपर डिपेंड्स करी कि आमे यार रिजोल्यूशंस को मेजर करा जाए। क्लियर? तो मॉनिटर ऊपर को जीवा पूर्व मु भाबिले दीटा टर्म को तमे जानिबा दरकार, पिक्सेल कहा कहा जाउची एंड रिजोल्यूशंस कहा कहा जाउची। तो मॉनिटर generally monitor is available in two types. One is monochrome monitors, monochrome display monitors, and another type is color display monitor. The monitor is a soft copy output device which provides the soft copy outputs, and that type of output is visible on the screen of your computers. Then the monitor is divided or classified into two types. One is monochrome display monitor. Another kind of monitor is color display monitor. Color display monitor. Monochrome display monitor, the monitor which gives you only the black and white image or black and white text is known as the monochrome display monitor. It means that in this kind of monitors, on this kind of monitors, there is no colorful pictures, there is no colorful text is available. Only monochrome display monitor supports one color at a time. That is one color at a time. It means that the black and white monitor is the monochrome display monitor, or you can say it supports one color at a time. One color it support the one color only. This is monochrome display monitors. And in case of color display monitors is near about 256 color display monitor supports 256 colors at a time. गोटे समय ये 256 टी कलर को डिस्प्ले करुला बेले ये केवल गोटे कलर को डिस्प्ले करुच्ची. That's why you can say color display monitor provides us the colorful soft copy outputs. And students, the monitor or the number of colors of the monitor varies with the kind of some color adapter, that is known as the color adapter. In monitor there are several kinds of color adapters available. On the basis of that adapter, the monitor displays the number of colors. That we कौन कहते color adapter. So in case of color display monitors, there are several types of color adapters available in the market, and on the basis of that color adapter, the monitor is able to display the number of colors. Common type of color adapters नाम किसी लिखुचे CGA, ये लिख दो ची, ये टाइम लिखुचे है. तो कौची का ना CGA is one type of color adapter. CGA, okay, then EGA, XGA, VGA and SVGA. These are some type of color adapters, and this color adapter is responsible to give you the number of colors on the monitor. The CGA रा full form रोज का color graphics adapter. This is color graphics adapter. Color graphics adapter. EGA, extended graphic adapter. Extended graphics adapter. And XGA is it allows enhanced. This is enhanced graphic adapter, and XGA is the extended graphics array. This graphics array adapter. This is XGA, and VGA is video graphic adapter. Graphics adapter और array हम लिख लिए array. And SVGA is super VGA, or you can say super video graphics array. So these are 5 types of adapter which are responsible to provide the number of colors on the monitor, and CGA supports 4 colors. It supports 4 colors, whereas SVGA or Super VGA supports 16 million colors, or हमें कोई परिया 160 lakhs colors. तो सुपर VGA और सुपर वीडियो ग्राफिक्स array supports 16 million, near about the 16 million or 160 lakhs colors is supported by this Super VGA, and only the 4 colors is supported by the color graphics adapter. Clear? The monitors which displays the number of colors on the basis on this the adapter. ये adapter उपरे depend करिकी monitor कौन करे number of color display करे. Clear? तो कहली मु तुम या पूर्व the monitor any image which is displayed on the monitor is created as a configuration of some dots, and that dots is known as the pixel, and the quality of the image or the sharpness of the image of your monitor or on your monitor depends on 3 parameters. That parameters is resolution on your screen, dot pitch and a refresh rate. एठी हमें लिखिबा the quality of monitor बेस करूँ क्या ऊपर the resolutions of the screen, resolution of screen, these are the some parameters which decides the quality of the image, and dot pitch, and another type of parameter is refresh rate. Refresh rate. Clear? So quality of the monitor depends on the 3 parameters. One is the resolution of the screen. The resolution of the screen, I already told you, the resolutions means it is the collection of some pixels which are designed or which are arranged in horizontally and vertically format, that the resolutions. Very common type of resolutions is 600 into 800 resolutions, otherwise 1024 into 768 resolutions. These are very common type of resolutions. The high resolutions of your screen or high resolutions provide the high quality image, and low resolutions provide the low quality image. Clear? And a dot piece, first the meaning of the dot piece. Students, in your monitor, dots are arranged in this format. Dots are arranged in this format. Okay? The distance between 2 dots, the distance between 2 dots is known as the dot piece. So dot piece is measured, or dot piece specifies the distance of the 2 dots, or diagonal distance between 2 dots on your screen is known as the dot piece. तो जते डॉट पीस गुड़िक कम आसो, लेस डॉट पीस प्रोवाइड्स द बेटर रिजल्ट, लेस डॉट पीस गिव्स यू द बेटर क्वालिटी इमेज, एंड हाई डॉट पीस जते डॉट गुड़िक छाड़ी छाड़ी रहिबो सते इमेज रो शार्पनेस कमी जियो, इमेज रो क्वालिटी कमी जियो. तले लो डॉट पीस प्रोवाइड्स द हाई क्वालिटी इमेज. क्लियर? एंड रिजोल्यूशंस से भली भाबरे हाई रिजोल्यूशंस गिव दो. तो रिजोल्यूशंस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू रे, रिजोल्यूशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू रे आमको देखिया पड़ियो हाई रिजोल्यूशन गिव द बेटर क्वालिटी, एंड डॉट पीस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू रे, डॉट पीस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू रे आम जते कमे दबा लो डॉट पीस गिव्स द हाई क्वालिटी. जदि क्वालिटी पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू रे आम आसुचंती तो क्वालिटी पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू रे आम ए दीटा जदि कंपेयर करिया, रिजोल्यूशन हाई होतुओ यार मीन्स दैट डॉट पीस लो होतुओ. तो रिजोल्यूशंस एंड डॉट पीस, resolutions and dot piece is generally reciprocal proportional. जदि आम दुईटा भितर रिलेशनशिप बिल्टअप करिया चाहूँगी, रिजोल्यूशन और डॉट पिच भितर रिलेशनशिप बिल्टअप करछंती, तार रिजोल्यूशन इज द रेसिप्रोकाली प्रोपोर्शनल टू द डॉट पिच. रिजोल्यूशन बढ़िले डॉट पिच कमुची, बा डॉट पिच बढ़िले रिजोल्यूशन बढ़ुची. तो डॉट पिच बढ़िले रिजोल्यूशन कमुची. जते आम या भितर डिस्टेंस बढ़ाई दवा सेते कम नंबर ऑफ डॉट्स एरिया पाइबा ना. तो जते डिस्टेंस कम करिवा सेते अधिक रिजोल्यूशंस पड़ियो. तो रिजोल्यूशंस हमें रिजोल्यूशंस आ या भीतर जदी नउचंती, रिजोल्यूशंस इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू डॉट पिच. तो रिजोल्यूशंस इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू डॉट पिच इट मीन्स दैट डॉट पिच कमी गले रिजोल्यूशन बढ़ुची डॉट पिच बढ़ी गले रिजोल्यूशंस कमुची ओके देन फोकस ऑन दिस रिफ्रेश रेट व्हाट इज रिफ्रेश रेट स्टूडेंट इन द स्क्रीन मॉनिटर स्क्रीन रे अनेक डॉट्स गुड़िक सजाई हॉरिजॉन्टली एंड वर्टिकली refresh rate says that or refresh rate specifies the number of times per second the how many times or number of times per second the dots are recharged ए डट्स गुड़िक रिचार्ज हो गोटे सेकेंड रे ए डट्स गुड़िक केते थर रिचार्ज हो रिचार्ज करिवार अर्थ कौन जेते रिचार्ज हम यार ग्लो यार ब्राइटनेसटा सेते बढ़ियो तेणु आम जो स्क्रीनटा पाँच मॉनिटर रे जो स्क्रीन गुड़िक पाँच से गुड़ा तो डट अच्छी ना से डट गुड़िक प्रति सेकेंड रे केते थर रिचार्ज होती जिते अधिक थर रिचार्ज होती या भर गोटे लाइट पास कर गोटे इलेक्ट्रिक सिग्नाल या भर पास करे जो इलेक्ट्रिक सिग्नाल पास कर डट गुड़िक रिचार्ज हो जाती जिते अधिक थर रिचार्ज होती पर सेकेंड जिते अधिक थर रिचार्ज होते यार ग्लो बढ़िया यार यू कैन से इट विल इंक्रीज द ब्राइटनेस ऑफ द स्क्रीन ता स्क्रीन ब्राइटनेस को आम इम्प्रूव करने यार रिफ्रेश रेट को बढ़ेबार अच्छे क्लियर तो रिफ्रेश रेट स्पेसिफाइज द नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स पर सेकेंड द डॉट्स ऑन द स्क्रीन इज रिचार्ज दिस इज द रिफ्रेश रेट क्लियर तो क्वालिटी ऑफ द मॉनिटर डिपेंड्स ऑन दिस 3 parameters and nowadays market generally there are 2 types of monitors are available. One is CRT monitor and another type is LCD monitor. LCD monitor. CRT stands for cathode ray tube. यार details तुमर आवश्यक नहीं तो cathode ray tube and LCD stands for liquid crystal display जदि आवश्यक हुए देखे यार डिटेल्स दरकार तो मुझे पढ़ेबी तो बेसिकली monitor or technology of the monitor is classified into 2 types. One is CRT monitor and it is LCD monitor. CRT monitor is cathode ray tube. गोटे आम मॉनिटर पछपटे गोटे पिक्चर ट्यूब थाए से पिक्चर ट्यूब गुड़िक किसी इलेक्ट्रॉन को फायर करवा इलेक्ट्रॉन गन गोटे थाए इलेक्ट्रॉन गन गुड़िक सुट हुए इलेक्ट्रॉन गुड़िक आसती आसिक तुम स्क्रीन उपर डिफरेंट कलर सब देखा पढ़ा तार डिटेल्स को आम जा दैट इज द CRT cathode ray tube and liquid crystal display. पोलाराइज्ड दीटा पोलाराइज्ड ग्लास अच्छा से पोलाराइज्ड ग्लास भितर किसी लिक्विड क्रिस्टाल रोचे सब्सटेंस हाँ सी रिचार्ज होती रिचार्ज होगा सी गोटे प्रकार कलर देखा से कलर डिपेंड्स कर कलर आडाप्टर या देखा दरकार ओके थैंक यू.